What's up, YouTube? I got here is a Dodge Caravan 2004 4-cylinder. Went to the shop for an oil change and they told me engine oil pan and transmission oil pan is leaking. So I declined it. This is why I declined the service. $200 for the engine oil pan and $146 for the transmission oil pan right there. So declined it. $300, $350. So, and it wasn't even the problem. It was the engine oil pressure switch that was leaking. Alright, let me show you guys how I did it. So I'm replacing now the oil pressure switch, which is not up here but behind the engine, right behind it. Right, let's go. Right, guys, so when I got that, so I went down here, checked it, cleaned it, checked it all around. That's the transmission oil pan and the engine oil pan there. What I did was clean it, wait for a couple days, run it, and it's good, no leaks. So what I found out was this was leaking, the oil pressure switch. There you go. It's leaking really bad, so I just cleaned it out. Now I'm gonna swap it out, change it with a new one. So I got a new one from AutoZone for 14 bucks. All right, this is what I got, 14 bucks. AutoZone, 14 bucks. So I called a couple of shops and asked them how much it'll cost me to have it replaced and let them just deal with it, because it's just like too much. It's underneath everything. I hardly reach it, so it's all the way up there. So but they're charging me like 90 bucks. Two shops are charging me 115 bucks for it, and one shop 90 bucks. Well, I don't have 90 bucks. I don't have $100 for it. So I just went ahead and buy it from AutoZone for 14 bucks. And now let's try to see it. Let's replace it. Alright, there we go. It's locked. Let's push this red pin. I don't know if you can see it, but I can barely see it. Let me see. Right there. Push it. Press this. And there. Came out easy. Woo. Isn't that dirty or what? Alright. I'm gonna try to clean it up. Take this out, put a new one in. For 4-cylinder Caravan 04, it's way down under. Alright, so this is how I did it. Took it out. Used an extension, goes all the way out there. There you go. See that? Whoa! All right, putting the new one in. Alright, let's stop the leak. Alright, now got it a little bit clean, but still wet. Yeah, basically from there looks good. Alright, looks really clean. Let's just put it back. It's tight, lock. See. All right, it's there.